Here today in Rhyl on the SC2 water splash pad areas. All the resin, so all the beige and blue, all the curbings of the pool areas being done. Pool's not being done because that's new. All the stonework, all the walls around the edge, that feature wall over there, it's all being cleaned. Someone has attempted to clean it previously. I don't know if you can see that with the sun, but they've attempted to clean it very badly. Lots of lines, lots of swirls off the turbo nozzle. So, 2 pressure washers on the go, 1 flat surface cleaner. I'm going to make a start on all the walls, and then I'll jump onto the flat surface cleaner and get all this flooring done. Get in there slowly. All the walls have been done right the way round. He's on the last stretch over there. There's probably only 150 square metres left to do to actual clean. I'm just on the rinse down, just waiting for the tank to fill. Get in there slowly. It's been rinsed down up there. Most of that's been rinsed. There's a little bit of crap there. Yeah, we'll get in there. Big job. Due to open back up on the 29th of this month, I believe. It's had a brand new pool fitted, or pulled up and relayed. It looks good though. Wouldn't mind going in myself. It's a tad cold today though, over in sunny Rhyl. I'll post up when we're done. Okay, so halfway there. This bit done. All the walls have been done. Walls up there have been done. All this bit done, rinsed down. A little bit of rinse down there, but that's a soak away, so it keeps on filling up. All this done. Ugh. All down here done. All this all done. Got up to, we're done up to here. Just about see the line. So it's just round here to do. Up to the no diving sign. All that's been done, just needs rinsing down. All this is cleaned. Again, just needs rinsing away. All those walls along there have been done. All this is done. All just needs a good rinse down once he's finished on the flat surface cleaner. Doing a little bit round there. Probably 60-70 square metres left to do. Feature wall all been cleaned properly. All this has been done. Doesn't actually look that big on video or photos, but believe me, it's absolutely massive. In fact, I might even walk it out. All this has been done. He's got up to, think about here. There's the donkey ticking away. All the crap what comes out of it. Unreal. All that wall's been done, and the concrete sort of, I don't know what you call it, bench area. All the cutting in's been done when I did the walls, so you can see the difference between the colour and what we're actually going to get. And it's done up to here. That's as far as I could reach with the lead I had coming from the van over there. Donkey's over there, Donkey's doing that side of it. And when I say donkey, I don't mean me dad, I mean the pressure washer. Cracking job.